So this is the story of one girl and one boy. Okay. Now what happened to the story? These students and these girls and boy, one girl and boy got an award. Okay. Now National Bravery Award. That we are going to see. That is our today's lesson, and it's an inspiring story about this two person. Now means you know very well that young means a person that age is not much. Now 8-year-old girl here got an award, National Bravery Award. For what purpose that we are going to see. Okay, young brave hearts. And this let's see the story. Now the Prime Minister presented the 2013 National Bravery Award to the 25 children on Friday. Okay, on Friday, what happened? That Prime Minister presented a National Bravery Award for what on 2013, year 2013. Now 20th January, 2 days before Republic Day. Now we all know on 26th of January we celebrate Republic Day. Okay, in that day our constitution is framed, and that's the reason that day we got some fundamental rights, and that is the reason we considered it as a Republic Day. So before Republic Day, that means on 24th of January 2014, 2 days before Republic Day, this 25 children got a National Bravery Award. And in this lesson, we are going to understand the story of two children who got National Bravery Award for a very inspiring deeds. Okay, now what are these deeds? Let's see. Among these 25 children, nine are girls. Okay, now in the 25 children, 9 girls were there who got the Bravery Award, and the Bharat Award was given. Now this Bravery Award also having some of the category names. Okay, so the Bharat Award is given or conferred. Okay, conferred. Now conferred means what? Given. Okay, presented. What is the meaning of this word conferred? Okay, look at here children. This word conferred means what? Presented. Okay, this word conferred means what? Presented. So this award is conferred, Bharat Award. Which award is given to this girl? This girl got the award is called as Bharat Award, which was one of the category from the National Bravery Award upon 8.5-year-old. Okay, 8.5-year-old girl called Mahika Gupta from Delhi. Now the image of this girl you are able to see. Okay, now this girl got a brave award. 8-year-old she is. She got a National Brave Award in which she got Bharat Award. Which award she got? Bharat Award. Conferred with the Bharat Award. It's one of the category of National Bravery Award. Name of that award was Bharat Award. Now why this girl got a National Bravery Award? For what purpose she got? Is she win some match, or is she got a prize for coming in the speech competition or any other competition? No, student. Now bravery award is given to, now you know what is mean by bravery. Bravery means doing something very which require a lot of beyond this fear. Okay, just taking thinking about some of the very like which require a lot of confidence. That kind of act is called as bravery. You know, the brave soldiers, okay, those fought for our nation, and this all about brave, that having a lot of confidence themselves, a lot of determination. That time they got a this out of the fear, and they done something very inspiring. So this girl also done something very interesting and which inspire us to be not afraid in such a situation. Like in this you I told me picture of fire. You're still fired, what going to do? And told me about different ways that I'm going to run, I'm going to take help other, I'm going to call the fire brigade. So a lot of things you told me about this. So in the same way, this girl also done something very important and inspiring. Let's see, what is the name of this girl? Mahika Gupta, and she is from Delhi. She is from Delhi. So Delhi is one of the part of our India, and see, capital of India is Delhi. Now, what is on June 2013? Okay, 16 June 2013. Now, in this day, what happened? A flood took place. Okay, water was everywhere in the Kedarnath. I think so. You may also heard about it. So Kedarnath is a situation in which it's a part of our country where the flood-like situation. Okay, heavy rain, and due to heavy rain, what happened? That everywhere water, landslide, water got damage, bridge were broken. This all was a situation, and many people died in that particular of natural disaster. And in that situation, this girl also, the name called Mahika Gupta, was stuck in that situation. And let's see what happened that night. The area was filled with the muddy water. Muddy, the water was not clear. Okay, muddy water means what? Muddy flood water means what? The water which consists some of the dirt material and soil and everything was mixed in the water. So the flood water was not clear. It was a muddy water. In that water, stones, big stones, and this people were dying inside that water because the water flow was very. So this girl called Mahika, in a such situation of Kedarnath where everybody was in a great trouble. Now Mahika could not see her parents. Now what happens, student? Whenever you go out, your mama, your papa, what they do? They hold your hand and they tell you that come with me, just hold my hand and come with me only. Don't go here and there while crossing no road. Look here and there and then cross the road. All the safety measures are set by your parents and instructed by your parents, and you do as per the instruction, and you take care of it, and even they take care of you. Just come with me. So when in such a situation, everywhere water was there, and this girl was totally alone. No parents were there. Why? Because in this situation, they all got like they were not together. In this situation, everybody was scared from the family. They were not with the family. So this girl was also in such a situation. There was no father, mother was there in particular area, and she was totally alone. Now, Mahika could not see her parent or relative, but heard her 4-year-old brother crying. Now, she was not able to see relative parents, anyone, but she was able to hear. Okay, look, see the example. She was able to hear, not able to see. She was able to hear crying of 4-year-old brother. Okay, now brother was younger than this girl called Mahika. The brother was in trouble and brother was crying. Why the brother was crying? Because he was in a situation where he was not able to see anything, and no one was with that boy, and that's why he was crying loudly. And after hearing, like, even you love your brother and sister, right? If you find them they are crying or someone harm them, then that time what you do, you just run away and you ask them what happened. Okay, what happened to you? Is anything wrong? So this girl also was very attached with the brother, and she heard that the brother is crying, and his crying means what? He is in a situation where he is not well. Mahika did not know how to swim. Now it's a flood condition, and this girl not know that how to swim. Okay? It is very necessary to, if you go on the water that time, if you know the swimming, you may be able to survive. But if you don't know the swimming, you will not be able to survive. Mahika did not know how to survive or swim. She was hit by a stone carried by a water. And in that situation also, she is hit by the stone. That body water, all the stones, small stones were coming. Okay, hit by this, that injured the stone Okay, that pain, it was great, but in that pain also, she was much more having in mind that I need to save my brother. I need to save my brother because he is in a trouble, and if I'm not going to help him, he may die. And that's why she ignored the pain. Okay, she was injured, she was in a big stone, but she was not thinking about herself. She was thinking about brother. But because the brother was crying, even she was not able to see the brother, that in which condition my brother is. She was just able to hear the crying of brother, sound of crying, and she was moving in the direction, and she got injured also, but still she managed. She was brave, but bravely she waited out till she found her brother and dragged him to safely. Now here the word wedded means what? Wedded. See the word wedded. New word is here. See the word wedded. WADED. Wedded means what? Now student, if you have ever went to the swimming pool, or if you have stuck in water logging, then what happened that in this situation, in the plain road you are able to walk very nicely. Okay, in the plain road it is easy to walk, but in the water it is difficult to walk. Okay, in water what happened, we face difficulty to walk because water also have some force, and that's the reason we feel difficulty. आपको पानी में चलने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. So waded means what? The girl was waded or in the water to find the brother, and when she find the brother, she drag him to the safely. Now this girl, what she did, Mahika was waded over the water. Now the water force was there, and with a lot of struggle, she was walking on a water, and she waited till he found his brother. Her brother was, and when she find her brother, she dragged him out. Drag means what? Just pulled out. Drag means what? Pulled out. See here the word drag. Look at this word drag. Drag means what? Pulling out. Okay, खींचना, बाहर निकालना. Okay, now the brother was also in the trouble. So what she did, she dragged him to the safely. There she held on tight. She hold the hand very tightly and sit in one place. Okay, for an hours. Okay, बहुत घंटों के लिए वहां पर वो बैठी रही अपने भाई को ऐसे पकड़ के. She was holding the hand of his brother very tightly and sitting in one place that somebody will come and help us. Okay, she's shown a bravery that she not move here and there, just go, water is there everywhere, let's make a fun. Okay, no, she was very confident. She was very mature enough to just know it's a flood situation and I have to sit in one place. I have to wait here. If I move here and there, definitely I'm going to face a problem. So what she did, she hold the hand of his brother very tightly for an hour, and when she saw a light, suddenly she saw a light, she waved up for a help. Now waved means what? Asking for a help. Okay, and getting that attraction that yes, look at me, I am here. Waved. Okay, in the air she waved her hand and she given a signal that I am in a problem, please help me. So after that they were both rescued. Rescued means what? Rescued means that the rescue team is formed by the government in such a situation to manage and to take care and to save. So rescue means what? Save. Okay, that the some persons saw that the girl is waving for a help, she is in a trouble, and when they saw that, they rescue both the brother and sister, both, that the Mahika and his brother, and they both take him to the safe place. With her determination and presence of mind, she saved her own life and that of her brother. Okay, now what happened in this situation? That Mahika shown a very important presence of mind. Now, if the Mahika was not brave, and if she think that yes, nobody is with me, I'm going to die, if she kept crying, then what will be happen? She may be died in that flood water, and the brother also died. This thing may be happened, and if the Mahika has not taken the proper step at that time. So presence of mind and determination with the full efforts, with a full willingness. What she did, she took a very important step, that she held the hand tightly and she waved for the help. And even though she was injured with the stone, but still she's shown a bravery. She found out her brother, and what she did, she saved the life of his brother also and herself also. So this is the story of Mahika. This girl called Mahika and got a National Bravery Award. In that, the category of Bharat Award, she got in the age of 18, 8.5 years. Okay, she was only 8.5-year girl and saved the life of brother and herself. Not in a easy situation, in a very difficult situation, where no everybody, even good persons and the person, those who are having a lot of strength and the mind, they also get stuck and they are not able to think that what to do. In that situation, this girl she worked with the presence of mind, and she saved the life of brother and herself. Now some of the important thoughts are written over here. Let's see. Bravery is in doing the right thing even when is afraid. Now bravery means what? Doing the right thing which is absolutely right, and in that whether maybe it sometimes we feel fear, like if you want to tell your father that you got less marks in the exam or you have failed. Okay, now in this situation, what happened? In this situation, you are afraid. Now, how to tell this to father? He is going to scold us. He's going to scold me. What to do now? So you plan to do you hide your paper or you do something else. Okay, but bravery in what? Bravery in facing the thing. If you have done wrong, say wrong. Yes, I have done the wrong thing. Okay, doing the right thing in a right time. It's called the bravery without afraid of anything. We just see the next one. We become just by performing just action. Just means what? What is the meaning of just? Just means a good person or performing some good habits, having a good habits. Okay. So we become just by performing just action. अच्छे काम करोगे तो आप अच्छे इंसान कहलाओगे. We become brave by performing brave action. If you are going to perform brave, okay, something different, something having a risk. Okay, so if you're going to perform a brave if you're going to perform a brave action, you're going to become a brave person. Okay, by performing brave action, you become brave by performing brave action. So this is all about the story of Mahika Gupta. Now next is a story of Shubham Santosh Chaudhary. Okay, the boy named Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra. Now you are also from Maharashtra, right? So this Shubham Santosh Chaudhary is also from Maharashtra. We will see the story of Shubham later. And now I will ask some question to you and please give me the answer. Let's see. Now the first story was of Mahika Gupta, and the story is of one of the name of this boy? Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra has given such a now Mahika Shubham got a National Bravery Award category. He got Sanjay Chopra Award for exemplary courage. Okay, exemplary courage. The exemplary is what? The courage means showing a great deed. Okay, performing the action which is very difficult. Okay, very we can say lot of confidence and something very different. Now let's see what he did. He was on his way back from school into flames on the national highway. A crowd had gathered but were watching helplessly. Shubham rushed over vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. She quickly broken the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. There were two girls in the van. He pulled up out of burning van and saved their life. Now here is the story of Shubham. Shubham was a boy who was coming from the school. He was going to home on the national highway on road. 11 August 2012. It was the day 11 August 2012. He was just coming back to home from school, and on the way or road in the national highway, we saw that one accident took place. That accident van was okay, and was flames. What that all had the flame come out from your in the kitchen when mama cooked the food. Okay, when she on the gas, okay, that time the flame comes out. Okay, that this called flame. So this van was burning with a high flame, and crowd was just watching. People were there. People around the van was standing, and they were just watching it helplessly. Why they were watching helplessly? Because nobody have that courage to go and just put some water and do something to save, to stop burning. They were just watching helplessly because they were not able to, not having a courage to stop that fire. The van was burning. Inside the van, some people were stuck. They were also just in a trouble, and they maybe died if Shubham was not there. So Shubham rushed for the vehicle. Now Shubham was not the person of watching helplessly. Shubham having a presence of mind. So what Shubham did, Shubham just ran near to the van and he tried to open the door. Okay, it is important as van having a door. If you come out of the van, that the people will definitely save the life. But door handle was extremely hot. As I told you that the van was burning, and due to that fire, that the heater and that the door handles were very hot. The Shubham was not able to hold the handle. So what Shubham decided? Shubham decided to the stone, pick up some of the stone, and what he started doing? He started making window. And if you hit the window, the glass will move and the people will definitely able to come out. So Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. Now these doors are sometimes locked from inside. So from inside he opened the door and from inside that van he saved the two girls. Okay, two girls. He just pulled out two girls from the burning van and he saved the life of two girls. In this way, Shubham also got the National Bravery Award, and the award is known as what? Award known as Sanjay Chopra Award. Every year, National Bravery Award are given to the children for their outstanding deeds of bravery. These children present aspiring example for other children. You can read about their act of courage in the newspaper or on the internet. Okay, now student, this incidents take place and people perform such a great deed, and they also set an example that how to use presence of mind in the difficult situation. So I hope student, next time if you stuck in such a situation, you are going to use definitely your presence of mind as this Mahika and Shubham did. You're going to help other. Okay, just thinking for a minute and then perform the action. This will definitely make you. And bravery is not something that we can buy. Bravery comes from inside. When you have a determination in the mind that no, I need to help, I need to fight against this situation, then you will definitely able to perform the great act. अगर आपके दिमाग में है कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है, okay, without getting afraid, without getting fear, डरे बिना, then only you are able to perform this. A brave man is not who does not feel afraid, okay, but he who conquer that fear. Okay, now the National Mandela said that the brave man is not who do not feel afraid. Okay, जिसको डर नहीं लगता है, he is not a brave man. A brave man is those who get scared, afraid, but still they conquer. They fight with the fear and then they win. This is all about the lesson of a to good and boy how great deed, and by which they got famous and they got a award called National Bravery Award. Now, student, if you want to learn more about it, go in the internet. This how many students got the National Bravery Award and what the story behind it, why these students got the National Bravery Award, and this all. Okay. So I hope now lesson is clear to everyone.